must be our planes, the peaceful plane. I have to get way in the back here because I'm going in the back. But there's our plane. Look at it up there. It's doing good. We're doing good. We're coming up on the plane here. We're going to Madeira today here. So, okay. Going way in the back here. All right. I think we're going to land on that little airport that we saw over there. That's like built on pillars, and it ends with a drop off there. So, yep, I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it.
Recomendamos cuidado ao abrir as bagageiras e certifiquem que levam toda a bagagem de mão e objetos pessoais. O comandante Hugo Faria e Maia e toda a sua tripulação esperem-se e esperam voltar a recebê-los a bordo da Azores Airline. Boa tarde e obrigada.
Okay, this is about, I guess, the only flat spot they could find here to build the runway. So that's probably why we had to land here. Okay, it's our plane that we came in on. Plane up there. Okay, we're going to the terminal here now. Coming in here, going to the terminal. We're in Madeira here. All right.